Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced.
So I've been getting lots of comments about how long my nails are. And normally when I answer these comments, I always say I don't do anything to my nails. But I've been getting more and more comments about it. So I had to really think like what's been making my nails grow. So I came up with these 3 tips that I think have been helping my nails grow. So the first tip is that I've been taking prenatal vitamins. When it comes to prenatal vitamins, they are packed with folic acid, which is a B vitamin that is responsible for healthy cell growth, which includes skin, hair, and nails. So I had broke a couple of my nails, so that's why they're all kind of like different lengths. But I'm getting ready to clip all of them so they're all the same length. So don't mind that they're all uneven. The second tip is that I use a nail strengthening nail polish. The one that I like to use is the OPI Original Nail Envy Nail Strengthener. I've been using this nail polish for years now, and I really like this nail polish. It helps to build layers of protection to help natural nails grow stronger. So when applying this nail polish, you want to apply it to clean, dry nails with your cuticles pushed back. I didn't do all of that in this video. I just literally applied the polish to my nails for demonstration purposes. I do plan on like working on my nails off camera. So you can use this nail polish as a base coat or a top coat if you plan on using a nail polish with color. Normally I just rock it clear, and I do like 2 layers and I'm done. Also, there is a cuticle oil that comes with this nail polish. That is optional, you don't have to use it, but I'll go ahead and leave a link to all the items that I'm using in this video down in the description box.
It's me, love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. Can't deny, I got a crush on you, and that's true. I'm digging you, you make me believe your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long, your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling.
So the third tip would be using a nail growth oil. So I had a subscriber comment saying that they believe the fact that, you know, I always got my hands in some oil and herbs and butters and stuff like that. That's probably what is contributing to my nail growth, because that's the same thing that happened to her nails. So I'm just going to show you guys how you can make your own nail growth oil. So first I'm going to start off with 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil, and jojoba oil is rich with vitamins E and B and helps to repair damaged collagen inside of your nail beds, also improving strength and promoting healthy nail growth. And then I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of castor oil. Castor oil's rich, thick texture and generous dose of vitamin E makes it a great option for moisturizing not only the cuticle area, but also the nail bed itself. Also, I'm going to add 5 drops of lemon essential oil. This helps to fight away bacteria and fungus. And then I'm going to add some biotin to the oil as well. So I have a soft gel biotin pill, and I'm just going to take a safety pin and just poke a hole in it, and I'm just going to squeeze it to get the liquid out of the soft gel. I'm going to do this 2 times. So each pill is 1000 mcg. Biotin helps to strengthen brittle nails, making them less likely to split or break, so that way you are able to grow your nails longer.
I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself.
So now I'm just going to mix everything together and place the oil into a roll-on bottle. Now, if you don't have one of those type of bottles, you can definitely use an applicator bottle or whatever type of bottle you have at home.
All I wanna hear is in the visions that we play, sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you, but wish away.
this part is optional. I decided to add some lavender buds into the bottle. It's really not necessary. I just did that to make it look cute.
It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. You get away.
So when it comes to applying this nail oil, you want to apply it to your cuticle area as well as your nails. You don't want to wash it off. I also would recommend you putting this nail oil on at night, so that way you could give it time to actually absorb into your nails and your cuticle area, because I don't know about you guys, but during the day I'm washing my hands like 50 times a day. So I would suggest applying it onto your nails at night before you go to bed. So you can use this nail oil as often as every day, or you can use it at least 3 times a week. So these are the 3 tips that I have for you guys. I hope you guys found it very helpful. Also, thank you guys for noticing my nail growth, because I didn't even notice that my nails were growing that long. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
You get away.